Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best beard trimmers in 2021 that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Philips Norelco OneBlade. Philips Norelco is constantly innovating with the intention of providing every man the right grooming tool for their needs. The OneBlade is a unique electric trimmer and shaver designed to trim, edge, and shave facial hair of all lengths. This hybrid model offers a dual-sided cutting system that cuts through hair much like a razor but without the traditional blades. Meant to be a razor replacement, the fast-moving cutter will efficiently and smoothly shave your beard without any skin irritation. This is because the cut isn't as short or close as a classic men's razor, but still gives the appearance of being clean-shaven. However, the OneBlade also comes with 3 attachment combs that allow you to trim different beard lengths. At 1mm, 3mm, and 5mm, you can also enjoy a short or long stubble beard. Built to be water-resistant, this trimmer and shaver is good for wet and dry use. This means you can dry shave or apply shaving cream or gel for a cleaner cut. Plus, you can rinse and clean it under running water. The long-lasting battery gets you 45 minutes of shaving time after an 8-hour charge. For this reason, some guys may want to upgrade to the next level OneBlade, which gets you 60 minutes of runtime with a 4-hour charge plus an extra blade and additional guard sizes. With blades on both sides and a narrow head that can follow the contours of your face, the Philips Norelco OneBlade definitely has a place in your grooming arsenal. Moving on at number 4, we have Hadiker Men's Beard Trimmer Grooming Kit. Hadiker is a relatively new brand in the men's grooming and shaving industry, but the company has certainly made a name for itself quickly. Hadiker's beard trimmer features a sleek design, quality build, and excellent trimming experience. This machine really delivers on value. The model comes with self-sharpening steel blades to help you cut through the thickest facial hair while creating clean, straight lines for styling. These long-lasting sharp blades prevent skin irritation and won't rust, altogether minimizing any pull on your hairs. The motor is strong enough to fully power the blades and let it glide through a full beard. Furthermore, the lithium-ion battery delivers 60 minutes of use per charge. Conveniently, the machine comes with an LCD display that tells you exactly how much charge is left as well as the status of your charging. The only downside is that the device requires 90 minutes to get to full power. Cordless and waterproof, the trimmer is good for dry and wet use, which also makes it fully washable for quick cleaning. At number 3, we have Andis Professional T-Outliner Hair and Beard Trimmer. Andis is world-renowned for its high-quality barber clippers and trimmers. The Andis Professional T-Outliner continues the company's tradition of making top-notch products. For the closest trim, especially for detailing around your beard, you'll want to use this machine. The Andis T-Outliner comes equipped with a carbon steel T-blade. The blade can be zero-gapped for a very close, smooth cut. The motor is extremely powerful and allows the blades to literally cut through all hair types and lengths. Barbers use this trimmer to groom necklines, sideburns, around the ears, and beards with precision. Generally, you'll want to use a traditional trimmer to make your beard shorter, and then use this detailer to design your beard. Good for dry shaving, Andis's T-blade trimmers are great for men with sensitive skin who want to avoid irritation when shaving. Lastly, the small housing allows this model to comfortably fit in your hand as you maneuver it across your face and neck. The thin blade head also reaches all the contours of your face for extra convenience. At number 2, we have Remington PG6025 Beard Trimmer. Remington is a reputable brand that makes an excellent yet affordable trimmer. The Remington PG6025 Beard Trimmer comes with everything you would need to groom and care for your facial hair. This model comes with self-sharpening, surgical steel blades that cut through coarse, thick hair easily. Made for long-lasting precision and designed to never dull, these sharp blades are easy to clean. The blades are complemented by a strong motor that will power through all lengths of beards. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides up to 70 minutes of runtime and comes with a charge indicator light to give you an idea of how much power is left. Billed as a grooming kit, the unit comes with multiple attachment combs, including an clipper comb that adjusts to 8 lengths, 3 stubble beard combs, and a head for nose, ear and detail trimming. While this adjustable trimmer is not as sophisticated as the wheelbase designs above, it does get the job done effectively. The machine is not waterproof, but can be rinsed underwater for easy cleaning. For a comfortable yet firm grip, you'll also notice textured rubber on the sides on the housing. And finally at number 1. Philips Norelco Beard Trimmer Series 5100. The Philips Norelco Beard Trimmer Series 5100 is another excellent adjustable clipper for your face, body, and hair. With built-in length settings that will get you a super short trim, an advanced lithium-ion battery, stainless steel blades, and multiple useful attachments, this trimmer has everything you need for comfortable grooming. One design feature that stands out from the rest is the dynamic beard guide system. Engineered to lift and guide your facial hair into the blades for a closer cut, this factor makes the machine much more effective and efficient than other models. Paired with the zoom wheel, which allows men to choose one of 17 length settings, ranging from 0.4 mm to 13 mm, this trimmer is well suited for short and long beards. The 5100 is fitted with self-sharpening stainless steel blades. Sharp and precise with the ability to cut through thick hair without pulling or tugging, these blades will minimize skin irritation and improve your trimming experience. Moreover, the rounded contour of the combs has been designed to curve around the face for faster cutting. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery grants up to 70 minutes of runtime after a 1-hour charge. Perfect as a corded or cordless trimmer, you won't have to recharge the battery for weeks. And even when you forget, you can use it while it's charging. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.